Oh, hey, how you doing? I saw a recipe the other day. Thought I'd give it a shot. It's called Basque braised chicken with peppers. Sounds pretty interesting. Let's give it a go. A little bit of olive oil in there. Just season both sides with salt and pepper. I'm just going to do one side for now, and when it gets into the pot, that's when I'm going to season the other side. So I've got 5 chicken thighs. I'm going to do 4 in one batch, and I'm going to do the other one after these are done. Okay, that looks good on that side. Some of the recipes I've seen call for sausage also, mostly a cured chorizo. Due to availability issues, I've got a substitute. I've got some Anduoille. Let's get that in there going with that. Okay, let's get on to the veggie side of this. I've got 1 onion, sliced thin. Okay, the onions are starting to take on a nice little color. Time to add a few more things to the party. The recipes that I've seen call for piquillo peppers. Unfortunately, I don't have any. So I'm substituted red bell peppers that I've roasted and sliced. And I've got about 4 Roma tomatoes that I just diced up. I seeded them. Still has the skin on them, but I'm okay with that. Start off with 1 bay leaf and the thyme I was chopping during the intro. So I've got a little combination of paprika and chipotle powder. And also the sausage. We'll throw the lid on it, and it's going in the oven, 350-degree oven, for about 45 minutes to an hour, until the chicken is nice and tender.